Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to do an unboxing video on the new iPhone SE that I just got delivered. It is straight up in the box, and I'm about to open it up right now. I'm excited because that phone that I got an iPhone, and I had to get a new one because it wasn't holding the charge anymore. Oh, look like somebody. Okay. So all that comes in the box is little mini iPhone case. So it looks like this. This is the iPhone SE. So it comes and look like this. I got the black one. Y'all can clearly see. And if you get it from Straight Talk, it's just like that. Alright. So very interesting fact, those of y'all that, getting it. This is the second generation iPhone SE, by the way. Those y'all that's thinking about getting this iPhone, it's very light. And even when I got the box, delivered, I'm like, is this even the cell phone? So this is it right here. This on the side, and it just got the, I ain't going to tell y'all the activation barcode right there. So I'm going to open up this new device, and like always, iPhones are always hard to open up. I remember when I got my first iPhone, which is the iPhone 8 Plus. They're hard to open up. And I guess that's for security reasons, so no one won't try to take it. Okay, so the plastic, I'll make sure I got it put together, so I don't want to break anything. So that's the activation information. It's pretty easy to activate. You go straight to the website to activate the device. Oh wow, brand spanking new, nice and shiny. So my iPhone 8 Plus is silver, and I went back to black. I always used to have a black phone, and here we go again. So on the back of it, it has, let's see what this is. Hello, or I guess, yeah, this is the thing to open up the SIM card. So it has the thing in there to open up the SIM card for you. And then, like always, Apple iPhones always give you the sticker. I guess they're saying you're representing. So they give you the sticker that comes with it. You got the regular charging cable. And the back of the iPhone looks like this. It always has the iPhone icon up there. And it's really light. I mean, it's really light. So I gotta give y'all some advice. If you get this device right here, this iPhone SE second generation, make sure, I would say any phone that you get, make sure you get a case for it, or the military case for it, or something like that, because this is really small, and you drop this bad boy, it's game over, lights out. So this is the iPhone SE second generation, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing of it. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I actually do cash giveaways right here on Super Album TV. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, this is Super Album TV.